Today we decided to make smoked salt. Now to start off, we made a couple of trays with aluminum foil. And to this we added some sea salt. Now, smoked salt is good to add to chicken, avocado toast, anything really. But we used one of these tube smokers and filled it up with these pecan blend pellets. So the trick is to really stuff them in there, and then it's ready to start smoking.
This thing I had, see how this is no holes right here? That's the part that needs to go in the bottom, otherwise it won't work as well. But it's gonna spill some out, that's okay. But basically, I'll get to that in a second. Stop falling out. Hey. What's important here is that the smoke goes on this side, and then with your lid, the holes go on the opposite side here. So the smoke gets pulled up over top of the stuff that you put in the center. Basically, we're doing a 2-pound batch, 32-ounce batch.
After approximately 5 hours, we came back and uncovered the lid. So the top layer was actually pretty dark and crusty, and we mixed it in to go ahead and do a re-smoke to be able to get all those white granules that didn't get that smokiness into them. So we go ahead and leave it for another 5 hours, and this was what we had, which had some parts that were a little bit darker and others the same as before. So we mixed that in again. Since we still had quite a few of the white granules, we mixed it in again and left it for one other iteration. And this is what we ended up with. There's obviously still some white granules, but definitely not as much as what we started with or previous iterations. This made a 32-ounce jar. Now, in comparison to our previous batch, which was much smaller, it's not as uniform in color, but I think it had to do with the amount of salt that we used in each batch. Either way, it came out delicious. Thank you for watching.